Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about a soft cataract with a posterior subcapsular component. So let's start with the case. The side ports are made with the help of MVR, followed by the making of main port with 2.8 mm keratome, which is then followed by the injection of phenocin, and here I am putting HPMC, that is visco, to inflate the anterior chamber so that I can start my capsular axis. Little bit of coating of epithelium is also done. Now the capsular axis is started with the 26 gauge needle. I would advise the beginners to stain the anterior capsule with the help of trypan glow dye, but in this case the glue is very well appreciated, so it is not needed. So the capsular axis is almost done. So I am doing hydrodelineation followed by the hydrodissection with simultaneous tapping to prevent the capsular bag distension syndrome. Now the one pole of nucleus is prolapsed into the anterior chamber, as I am going to perform the tilt and chop technique in this case to emulsify the cataract. Now the phaco tip is introduced into the anterior chamber and the loose cortical matter is aspirated. Now once the central core of the nucleus is exposed, it is then embedded with the tip and the chopping is done. Now each piece is aspirated one by one. Now I am only remaining with the epinuclear part of the cataract, which is then loosened up from each quadrant one by one. It is also aspirated. Now I have changed the mode to IA and trying to aspirate it with the help of phaco probe itself. I would advise beginners not to perform this maneuver with the help of phaco probe. Always switch on to irrigation and aspiration probe. And the remaining subincisional cortex is aspirated with the help of bimanual irrigation and aspiration system. Now the aspiration probe is taken out while keeping my irrigation probe into the anterior chamber so that I can implant the intraocular lens under irrigation mode. And the other haptic is also dialed into the capsular bag. So the case is almost done, and lastly the wounds are also hydrated while keeping my irrigation probe. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video.